So as you saw, our age setup is approximately 68,000 profit dile. But leaving aside these profits, as you could activate hole, more at a trade because that is profit dile karne. TRCP trend reversal candle pattern setup could activate hetu bostu ami hikilobol. Yat ei jonto trend hoy kali pra arambo hoisile aru hetu kaji continue hol. Jodi trend to same candle or color or jodi around amar 65 to 75 points of ke besi same color trend pattern hoy tar bisot jodi reversal dekha poa jay reversal maximum 2 candle tetia ami same trend back ako hoy jay jodi hetu trendor pattern activate hoy jeneka upside or bullish pattern activate hol jeneka downside or karone ako activate 120 points captured simple market clear ako yatso yadunu direct fall hor bisot reversal hol 2 candle again 2 candle reversal pattern formation e pattern ro naam ki hoy apnala kobo ki hobo to green doji red mane evening star formation ako same amount or yat fall hoy gol clear ako a fall to jodi consider koru tite yato same pattern formation aru yalaga fall etu no hoise nothing is 100% clear 100% honto bhagwane hobo yat fail hol yat correct hol 120 points yat 80 points 73 points or yat SL hit koide but market has to complete its structure according to our calculation exactly e report kaise yalaga asle ki hoy erke nahile look at this edokor extra target disle am first trade to yat adjust kori aru exactly calculation mote market yat ke kor this is called perfection you want to learn you can contact us or follow us for more tips thanks so much